And there is the original label. E.T. Barwick Mills, manufactured 6/28, 1976, Firethorn. I'm trying to figure out if this is what they call plush or ultra plush. I can't really tell. Anyway, but it's faded in spots and the mat is loose. Here, really faded in that area. So anyway, my main reason for doing this is I want to get under here and replace all of this thermal barrier and soundproofing. This is old felt stuff and it needs to go. It's kind of funny. There's a footprint from when the car was built, and you know, I think I pointed this out before, but there's a ton of pop rivets and waste that they left in the car and just carpeted over. It's kind of funny. The good news is that the floorboards are in great shape. Really, there's no rust. So I'm continuing to strip the interior. I've got two things that I want to do. First thing is I do want to replace the heater core behind here, and I also want to get the sound mat down here. I want to get it tucked up there as far as I can get it. But as I pull all the dash apart, probably pretty typical of cars of this age, it does have a retro but new stereo in here, radio. I've got some sort of booster here, but oh my God, look at the freaking wire. And just, you know, wire coiled up, and look down here. So if you ever put this stereo system in, just why do you leave so much wire? I don't get it. But I gotta get all that crap out of the way so I can get to that. It's not. There's always something.